Feature phones still have a place in certain markets, and HMD Global is keeping the Nokia brand relevant by mixing old-school simplicity with a few carefully chosen modern tools. The company just introduced the Nokia 254G Smart, a new device aimed at China that keeps the classic feature phone feel while adding practical digital extras. According to details shared by Smashx_60, it's a compact phone built around reliability and everyday convenience. It carries IP54 dust and splash resistance and will come in two color options. Specs-wise, you're looking at a 2.8-inch LCD screen, a 0.3 MP front camera with LED flash, and a 2 MP rear camera that also has a flash. Under the hood, it runs a Unisoc T137 processor at 1.3 GHz, with 256 MB of RAM and 2 GB of storage. Power comes from a 1,950 mAh battery charged through a 2.75W USB-C port, and it uses a real-time operating system (RTOS) for efficiency and stability. Bluetooth 5.0 is also on board. Even though it's still very much a feature phone, HMD has packed in several smart-leaning extras: cloud phone functionality, some AI features, native Alipay support for payments, voice translation, and QR reader. These additions make it more useful than a pure basic phone without turning it into a full smartphone with all the usual distractions. HMD has been steadily expanding its feature phone lineup in China, India, parts of the Middle East, and Africa with models that include region-specific services like Alipay. The Nokia 254G Smart fits right into that approach: durable, potentially long-lasting battery, and just enough digital tools to stay useful. The AI and payment features feel aimed at people who want a few modern conveniences while avoiding distractions. With IP54 protection, dual cameras with flash, USB-C charging, and those practical software extras, it works well as a secondary phone or as a primary device for anyone who values simplicity, durability, and basic digital payments.